Hi everyone, it's Donna from Spaceman Paper Crafts, and I am back with some exciting news today. I was contacted by Beebeecrafts, beebeecrafts.com, and they asked if I would like to choose some products and make some projects with them. So I have seen so many wonderful crafters and all their awesome goodies from Beebeecrafts that I just jumped at the chance. The quality of the products are really good, and price wise, you know, there aren't many places I don't think that can beat the price. So what I got was, I only actually got 1, 2, 3, 4 items, but I'll just show you. Okay, so before I ordered anything, I decided to sort of plan. I looked online to see what products they had, and then decided to plan in advance what I was going to do. So with this, with that in mind, I actually ordered this pack of felt, and it's all multicoloured felt, and it's like the bonded type felt, and I've got a funny feeling, I haven't tried it yet, but I've got a funny feeling that this will go, I could probably cut this with my Cricut if I wanted to. It would probably go through a die cutting machine as well, but I will show you a little sneak peek of the plans for this felt. I've just got a little box up here, and these are just some handmade flowers made from felt. I've got a few different ones that I've been trying, kind of like a rolled rose there. So that's a little sneak peek of a tutorial that's going to be coming up very soon. So for that, you're going to obviously need some felt and a hot glue gun. And excuse if you can hear my squeaky chair and my fan, it's really quite warm in here this evening. So yeah, so there's 40 sheets in here, and let me see, mixed colours. It was £8.98, and I think it's well worth it. And like I say, it is like the bonded stuff that should go through a die cut machine or a Cricut or any other type of electronic cutter. So I got those. To go with that, to make things easier for myself, I bought a Rotary Cutter, and it's really good because it locks, and obviously when it locks it doesn't move. Let me just get a piece of felt here, and let's just see how well it works. I'm a bit of a lefty, so when I say a bit of a lefty, I am a lefty. So let's just cut up a strip of this felt. Look at that, straight through without a problem. That is amazing. So with that, let me just lock that again because knowing me, you get some different types of blades. Now, there we go. And they're all individually wrapped. So you get another rotary blade. Oh, in fact, there's 2 rotary blades in there, 3 rotary blades. And then you get, I think it's 3 of the like curved blade. Let's be careful because I'm so clumsy, I'll end up cutting myself. So there's that type of blade as well. So for the rotary cutter and the additional blades, let me just have a look on my list. That was £8.54, and I think by the time you were to buy a cheaper one, because I have looked and I have seen them cheaper, but if you were to buy a cheaper one, you're going to get cheaper quality for a start, and also you know, you're going to be forking out on blades, and this comes with the blades. So yeah, so I'm really quite chuffed with that, and look how, like I say, look how it went through just with one pass of the rotary drum. I've actually just noticed that they match. That's lovely. So that's my, I've got my rotary trimmer. I'll just put that over to one side as well. Then I got this washi. I believe it's fabric washi, and there are 10 rolls. Now with these rolls, they do a polka dot, a check pattern, and the chevron that I chose, and they come in all these different colours. Really nice colour selection there. And I'm going to be making some products using this washi. So for 10 rolls of this washi, it was £4.49 for 10 rolls. And let me see if I can tell you in measurements how much is on the roll. So it's about, in fact it's 1/4 of an inch width of washi there, and again, like I say, it's fabric washi. Let me just try and get to an end that I can take this plastic bit off. There we go. Okay, so I eventually got that off. Let me just peel it off. Oh, it's like a sticky thing, that's why. Okay, so, and it's, I've just actually noticed that it's not typical washi tape where it is sticky as soon as it comes off the roll. That's better. It's actually got backing on it. I just want to see how sticky it actually is. Wow, that is pretty sticky actually. And that would, there'd be no problem sticking that to paper or cardstock. I hope they're not all as difficult to get into. But yeah, so I'm really actually pleased with these. I'm glad that they're fabric. I didn't realise they were fabric, and also that they have the adhesive backing on, so they're not sticky as soon as they come off the roll, which is great, especially if you want to measure. You know, if you're measuring the front of a card, you could just hold the washi there, mark how much you need, snip it off, and it's done. So yeah, so I'm really pleased with those, and as I say, the colour selection is really good as well, so I'm chuffed with those. I'll just put those to one side. And then the last thing that I got were these gorgeous flowers. Now I've had a project in mind for these as soon as I saw them, and the colours are beautiful. Now there are so many things you could do with this. You could use them on the front of journals, mini albums obviously, home decor. Yeah, so I've got a project coming up with these, so I'm so excited about that. The colours are gorgeous. That yellow is beautiful. They really are very pretty. And for those, there are 30 of these in the set. So for 30 flowers, it was £6.62. So I really think these are so cute, and I can't wait to make a project with them. Let's get a pink one out and have a look. Oh, they're so cute. They're really cute. So yeah guys, so that's my Beebeecraft package. I can't wait to get started on some of these projects that I've got in my head. It's sort of renewed my mojo a little bit, which I'm really happy about. So yes, I'm really happy. So thank you so much guys for watching. I will leave all the links for everything that I purchased in the description bar below. and you can go and check those out if you want to, and I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye for now.